Hi, it's Aqua with WTI, and if you're wanting to make wax seals, check this out. Look at that beautiful wax seal. This is the UNIQOOO glue gun wax sticks in pearl white, and it is just beautiful. I love the way that this has turned out on invitations for weddings, anniversaries, or even envelopes. One nice thing is that this works with a standard size glue gun, but it is recommended use a glue gun with a low temp option. Very easy. You do a little circle I like to do and then press down your wax seal and you get a beautiful result. It does come about 8 sticks in a package. I used about half of these to do about 50 invitations. So a standard box could do about 100, 120 wax seals. I think that this just adds that beautiful elegance to any invitation, wedding invitation especially, anniversary, just really elevates it. The color is beautiful. It really is a pearl white. It has that shimmer in it that just glows and looks beautiful. I added a little dried flowers and gold flecks, and I thought it turned out beautiful. Very versatile what you can do with this wax. These wax seals will make any invitation or envelope just absolutely beautiful. And that's my point of view.